Okay, so this video is just going to show you how to use the zoom functions within AutoCAD. Okay, so first two commands are based on your mouse movement. So if you hold down your middle mouse button, that's hold down the button, you can see that the cursor changes to a hand, and that allows you to do what's called panning. Okay, so you can move around through your drawing. Okay, and if you need to keep going, just release the button and hold it again. Okay. Another one is using the roll function on your mouse. So if you roll towards you, it zooms out, and roll away from you, it zooms in. Okay. Another another handy one is the zoom window. So if you press Z on your keyboard and then press space or enter, you're in window mode now. So let's say we want to have a look at the first screw there. You bring your cursor down to the lower right hand corner and left click, and then move up to the top left hand corner and left click, and you zoom then up to the screw of interest. Let's say, for example, then you want to go back to the previous window, you press Z again, and this time you press P for previous, and it goes back to the window that you previously had. Okay, so there's various different zoom functions. If I press Z and space or enter, you can see down the bottom here it gives you your options. So it's all center, dynamic, extends, previous, scale, window, object, and real time. Okay. So I'm not going to go through the whole lot of those. Best thing to do is practice those yourself and figure out what they do. Okay. Thanks.